This how-to video will show you how to add entry numbers to accessions in a trial. First, log into Breedbase and then log in as yourself. You should already have your trials created at this point. So field trials. I'm going to go down to the test that I need to add entry numbers to. So we're going to do the PYM test 1 and test 2. And we're going to do them at the same time. You double click, open the trial, scroll down to where it says experimental design, and then click entry numbers. Breedbase will give you a template based on the accessions that you already entered into your trial earlier. So here are all of my accessions that I entered in. So I'm going to select this button. So this will generate a template for you that you need to fill in the entry numbers and then re-upload to Breedbase. So I'll press start. And here I want to select all of the tests. If you just have one test, that's fine, but I have two where the entry numbers will be the same. So I'm going to select them. I can find them. Here we go. So you click on one and then you press the control key and you select the other. Go to the next step and we will download the template. This will open up. And if we expand this a little bit, you can see that this accession is in both of these trials. I want them to have the same entry number. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the entry numbers with a predetermined list that was given to me by either Adam or Brajesh. In this instance, they just so happen to all go in order. So we will do this very quickly. And I'm making sure that the end number matches the entry number because that's how it goes for these particular entries. If it does not match, then you would have to do a simple VLOOKUP to match the accession with the accession of your original list. But now I have everything in that I need. So I will save this file so that I can upload it to Breedbase. Let me find my place here to upload. I want it to have the same names. That's why I'm going back and I'm just going to delete this out. Entry numbers for 22 PYM. It has to be saved as an XLS format. Okay, and once I have that, I will exit out. Don't need it anymore. I'll bring you back to Breedbase and I'll press close. From here, if you click the next button, upload entry number template, all you have to do is upload that template that you just created. This may take a little time depending upon how large your trial is. Trial numbers were stored successfully. Great. So we will close it out. And we need to refresh this page. And then if we go back down to experimental design and click on entry numbers, those two buttons that appeared earlier should have disappeared. And now you can see that you have your accession with an entry number. If you'd like, you can go on to the next trial. So this is PYM1. Let me go to PYM2 and make sure that it uploaded it as well there. It should have. Go down to this test, experiment design, entry numbers, and yes. And that is how you assign entry numbers to accessions in Breedbase.